Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today you're coming with me as I go to AutoZone. So on one of my recent trips to New York City in the US, I decided to stop by one of your most popular auto parts store and see what kind of detailing products there are inside there. So are there any good ones available in a big box store or in an auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly's Auto Parts, so on and so forth. So yeah, come with me for the journey. Let's have a quick look. Let's go ahead and start the show. So guys, we're here at the AutoZone in Albany, New York. Let's go ahead and check out what kind of detailing products are good to purchase in your local AutoZone. So guys, this is a pretty big store. So let's go in the detailing aisle and see what kind of stuff you guys have and what kind of stuff would be good to buy. So I see here Griot's Garage. That's very good. Great brand. So what would I pick up? Got a bunch of the Meguiar stuff. This here's pretty good. The Ultimate Protectant. We got 303 Protectant. This here, that's pretty good. Meguiar's stuff is always very decent for the price. Great bang for buck, right? The Endurance Tire Gel for those who want that wet look. This here is a classic, so gold class Meguiar's, very good car shampoo. Heard a lot of good stuff about this one. The ice spray wax from Turtle Wax. We'll have to test that out, right? Pretty good quick detailers here. So one for Meguiar's. This one's pretty good. 303. The Ultimate Liquid Wax, that's a good one by Meguiar's. Same thing for the Gold Class, the NXT. This is more polymer based. Synthetic wax. Meguiar's Quick Wax is pretty good. Oh, look at this. They have some chemical guy stuff. So V07 spray sealant. Citrus washing gloss, pretty good shampoo. The Butter Wet Wax. So this is a good wax. You got the Jet Seal. That's a pretty decent sealant there. They got the Jay Leno's Garage stuff. That's awesome. For compounds and polishes, if you're looking for decent stuff, that's available in big box stores. Well, the Meguiar's Ultimate Polish and the Ultimate Compound, very, very good products at the retail level. We got the RainX water repellent, does a decent job. Of course, one of my favorite glass cleaners, Invisible Glass by Stoner. So this is it for the detailing products in the detailing aisle. Not too bad. So of course this is not necessarily professional level stuff, but on the consumer grade and the retail level, pretty good. And I just noticed this won awards in my 2018 Car Detailing Products Awards video, Best of Show Detailer. This is a very good one by Griot's Garage. So you can use it as a drying aid. Gives a nice finishing touch when you're done washing your car. So all in all, pretty impressive stuff at the retail level. Again, so easy to find. So if you want to quickly get something to wash or detail your car with, yeah, pretty good. So guys, that was a quick walk around of the kind of detailing products you can find at your AutoZone, so a local parts store in the US. Of course, they're not all professional grade products, but there are some gems that you can still find. Of course, if you're in a pinch and need a quick detailing product, you can always stop by there. If you want me to do more of these kinds of videos, I don't know if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section under the video. Also, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as usual if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.